Modular Fume Hood. The modular extraction hood is made of separate components and has been designed to connect with an external extraction filtration system. The hood can be used for several industrial processes, such as robotic welding, grinding, cutting, and gouging. The modular extraction hood consists of the following main components: connection flanges, top roof panels, main frame profiles, bottom roof panels, corner piece sets, corner covers, and H profiles. Additional components for the XL hood include T-brackets and the main frame profiles used as cross profiles. Unpack the skid and make sure that all components are present. Gather all of the tools required for assembly. The tools required for assembly are large C-clamps, a tape measure, a 10mm hex bit, a 7mm hex bit, and a Phillips bit, a razor knife, a drill, channel lock pliers, and a jigsaw with a fine-toothed blade. To get started, create a U-shape using the 3 main frame profiles and 2 outside corner pieces on a clean, non-slip surface. Slide the main frame profiles halfway over the outside corner pieces. Slide the main frame profiles into place. Align the 4 inside corner braces so that the top notches correspond with the corner notches on the outside corner pieces and screw them into the main frame profiles using the self-tapping 10mm hex screws supplied. If mounting legs on the fume extraction hood, mark a cut radius and use a jigsaw to make the cuts, always in the 2 bottom 18.8-inch roof panels. Caution: cut edges may be sharp. Remove the protective overlay from the bottom panels. Apply the distance holders to the bottom 18.8-inch roof panel. Slide the bottom roof panel into the main frame profile. Slide in a long H profile in the bottom of the main frame profile. Before the roof panels are inserted in the corners, make the necessary corner cutouts to the top roof panels that will be mounted in the corners using a jigsaw. Caution: cut edges may be sharp. Slide the top roof panel into the main frame profile. Slide a short H profile into the top of the main frame profile. Apply the distance holders to the bottom of the roof panel, the 19.5-inch middle panel. Slide the bottom roof panel into the main frame profile. Slide a long H profile into the bottom of the main frame. Slide the top roof panel into the main frame profile. Slide a short H profile into the top of the main frame. For larger hoods with a width of 5 or 6.5 feet, place the 2 vertical spacers between the H profiles. Fasten the spacers using a pair of pliers and continue placing the panels. Connection flanges. Based on your fume extraction ducting location, determine the position and number of connection flanges needed. Make the necessary cutout using a jigsaw and mount the connection flanges using sheet metal screws. Continue to place the bottom 18.8-inch roof panels with the distance holders, top roof panels, H profiles, and vertical spacers if applicable, except for the last top roof panel. Mount the remaining inner and outer corner pieces and main frame. Fasten the T-brackets to the cross profiles and the main frame. Place the last 18.8-inch top roof panel. Evenly space the sheet metal screws to fasten the track to the main frame. Measure and cut the branding strips to size. Insert the strips in the metal mainframe profiles. Note: branding strips can go under the corner pieces. If not using the legs, put the corner covers in place and mount the hood appropriately. If using the legs, follow these steps. Raise the assembled hood to the necessary height using a forklift, making sure to secure the hood to the forklift using clamps. Use cardboard spacers between the surfaces to avoid scratching the finish of the fume hood. Only lift the assembled hood once it has been clamped securely to the forks. Leave the clamp securely in place throughout the leg assembly process. Lift the hood to a height that allows you to place the 4 assembled legs loosely into the 4 corner brackets. Reference the instruction manual for directions on how to assemble the legs. Once the 4 legs have been positioned loosely in the 4 corner brackets, lower the fume hood assembly so that the screw holes in the legs align with the screw holes in the corner brackets. Please note, M6 25mm long self-tapping screws are recommended for installation. Self-tapping screws are not supplied. Secure all 4 legs to the hood assembly corner brackets. Once the legs have been secured to the assembly fume hood, unclamp the hood from the forklift and place the forklift out of the way. Put the 4 corner covers in place. On larger hoods, double or triple compartment, for additional support, install the corner reinforcement set. Using the supplied 7mm hex screws, fasten the curtain brackets to the curtains. Once completed, attach the curtains to the fume hood by hooking the curtain brackets into the curtain rails on the fume hood assembly.